Welcome back to the channel, fellow travelers. If you've ever experienced the anxiety of standing at baggage claim, watching bag after bag roll by that isn't yours, then this video is definitely for you. Today's video is titled, Your Checked Luggage Will Be Safe with These Tips. In this episode, we're diving deep into everything you need to know to keep your checked luggage safe. From choosing the right suitcase to making sure your belongings actually arrive when and where you do. We all know that checking a bag comes with a bit of risk. Lost luggage, stolen items, or a bag that looks like it's been through a war zone are unfortunately too common. But it doesn't have to be that way. By the end of this video, you'll have expert-level tips that frequent flyers and travel pros swear by. If you enjoy practical travel advice, airline hacks, and making every trip smoother, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you never miss a travel tip. We post fresh content every week to help you travel smarter. Let's jump in. 1. Choose the right type of luggage. Your first line of defense is the suitcase you choose. A poor quality bag increases your chances of damage and delays. Ideally, you want a hard-shell suitcase made of strong, durable material like polycarbonate. These types of bags handle impacts and rough treatment much better than their soft-sided counterparts. Look for luggage with reinforced corners, smooth rolling wheels, and a solid zipper track. You also want to make sure your suitcase is water-resistant, because you never know when your bag might be sitting out on a rainy tarmac or shoved under something that leaks. Before making a purchase, read reviews from other travelers. Sometimes a bag may look sleek and stylish, but turn out to have fragile handles or cheap zippers. Investing in a good suitcase isn't just about aesthetics, it's about protecting everything inside. 2. Make your bag stand out. One of the biggest reasons luggage goes missing is simple human error. A traveler sees a black suitcase that looks like theirs, grabs it, and leaves. It happens all the time. To prevent your bag from being taken by mistake, choose one that stands out. Go for a bright color or bold pattern that's easy to identify at a glance. If you already own a generic-looking suitcase, personalize it with colorful ribbons, travel stickers, or a distinctive luggage strap. Be sure to attach a sturdy luggage tag that has your name, phone number, and email address. It's best not to include your home address for privacy and security reasons. Even better, take a photo of your bag before heading to the airport. That way, if you need to describe it to airline staff later, you'll have a clear visual reference instead of relying on memory. 3. Use a TSA-approved lock. When it comes to security, using a TSA-approved lock is essential. These special locks are designed so that Transportation Security Administration agents can open them with a master key during routine inspections. If your bag is locked with a regular padlock and needs to be checked, there's a good chance they'll cut it off. Opting for a TSA-approved combination lock ensures your belongings stay secure while still allowing for lawful access. Some modern suitcases even come with integrated TSA locks built into the case, which adds a layer of convenience and security. Choose a lock that's sturdy, easy to use, and preferably one that shows if it's been tampered with. 4. Avoid packing high-risk items in checked bags. There are certain things that should never be put in your checked luggage. These include passports, cash, credit cards, jewelry, and important documents. You should also avoid packing medications, electronic devices like laptops or cameras, and fragile or irreplaceable items. Power banks in particular are often banned from checked baggage due to fire risk and should be carried in your hand luggage. Imagine if your suitcase went missing. Would you be okay for a few days without what's inside? If the answer is no, those items should be in your carry-on instead. 5. Label the inside of your bag. While an external luggage tag is important, it's not enough. Tags can tear off during transit or handling, leaving your bag with no identification. To cover this risk, place a card or label inside your suitcase with your contact information. Ideally, place it on top of your packed items so it's easily visible when the bag is opened. Include your name, phone number, and email address. If you're traveling to a long-term destination, you might also add your temporary address, such as the hotel you're staying at. This helps airport staff reunite you with your bag quickly if it gets separated from its tag. 6. Pack smartly to prevent damage. Even the most secure bag can't protect poorly packed items. You should pack with care to avoid breakage and leakage. Organize your contents using packing cubes, which help separate categories and keep your belongings tight and compact. For liquids like shampoo or lotion, always seal them in plastic bags to prevent messy explosions. Place delicate items in the center of your suitcase, surrounded by layers of clothing for extra cushioning. Even your shoes can double as storage containers for socks, cables, or small valuables, saving space and adding a bit of protection. Smart packing doesn't just keep things tidy. It also makes your belongings easier to find if your bag is inspected by security. 7. Keep your baggage claim receipt. That small sticker or tag you receive when checking your luggage is more important than it looks. It's your proof of ownership and the only way the airline can track your bag. If your suitcase is delayed, lost, or misrouted, you'll need this tag to help recover it. Some travelers stick it onto their boarding pass, while others take a quick photo of it for backup. Either way, don't throw it away or leave it in your pocket. It could be the only thing standing between you and a lost bag. 8. Fly direct when you can. One of the best ways to keep your checked bag safe is to minimize how often it's handled. Luggage is most likely to be lost during flight connections, especially tight ones where there's little time to transfer bags between planes. Whenever possible, book direct or non-stop flights. If a connection is necessary, allow plenty of time, at least 90 minutes, to ensure your bag can make the transfer. Short layovers are stressful not just for you, but also for the baggage handlers, and a rushed transfer increases the chance of mistakes. 9. Track your luggage with technology. Today's smart technology can provide peace of mind while you fly. By placing a small tracker like an Apple AirTag tile or Samsung Smart Tag inside your suitcase, you can monitor its location through your smartphone. These devices use GPS, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi to give you real-time updates on where your bag is. If you're worried your luggage might be sent to the wrong city or get stuck in transit, a tracker can confirm its last known location and help you take action quickly. For frequent flyers, this tiny device can be a game changer. 10. Take photos of your packed bag. It's a good idea to take a quick snapshot of the inside of your suitcase once you've packed it. This way, if you need to file a claim for a lost or damaged bag, you'll have proof of what was inside. Note any expensive items like electronics, designer clothing, or gifts. Some travelers even save digital copies of receipts, especially for items they're bringing back from abroad. Having documentation makes your claim more credible and can significantly speed up the compensation process if anything goes wrong. 11. Don't check bags too late. While it's always tempting to arrive just in time for your flight, doing so can backfire, especially if you need to check a bag. If your suitcase is processed too late, it may not make it onto the plane, even if you do. Airlines usually require that checked bags be turned in at least 45 to 60 minutes before departure for domestic flights, and up to 90 minutes or more for international ones. Arriving early gives your bag the best chance of traveling with you, rather than playing catch-up after you've landed. 12. Consider luggage insurance. Airline compensation for lost or damaged luggage is often limited. If you're traveling with expensive items or have a tight schedule, travel insurance that includes luggage protection can give you extra security. This type of insurance can cover replacement items, temporary clothing, or even reimburse you for lost belongings. Some premium credit cards include baggage insurance as a benefit if you book the flight using the card, so it's worth checking your policy details before you fly. Insurance may not be glamorous, but when something goes wrong, it can save your trip. 13. Be mindful of weight limits. Overweight bags are more prone to rough handling and are sometimes sent through a different process for loading. Exceeding the airline's weight limits can result in extra fees and delays. Most economy class tickets allow for checked luggage weighing up to 23 kilograms or 50 pounds. A portable luggage scale at home can help you weigh your bag before heading to the airport, avoiding surprises at the check-in counter. To stay flexible, consider packing a foldable duffel bag in your main suitcase. If you do end up overweight on your return trip, you can shift items or check a second bag without scrambling at the last minute. 14. Clean and inspect after every trip. Once your trip is over, take the time to clean your suitcase before storing it away. Wipe down the exterior to remove dirt or germs, check the zippers and wheels for any damage, and vacuum out the interior if needed. Keeping your luggage in good condition not only prolongs its life, but ensures it's ready for the next adventure without any unpleasant surprises. Taking care of your gear is just as important as packing it well. There's no denying that checking luggage can be stressful. But by taking these practical precautions, from picking the right suitcase and labeling it properly to using digital trackers and packing smart, you can dramatically reduce the risks. Checked luggage doesn't have to be a gamble. With a little preparation and the right tools, you can travel with peace of mind, knowing your belongings are safe and sound. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below sharing your luggage horror stories or travel hacks, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips every single week. Until next time, safe travels and happy packing.